If you're anything like me, you want to customize every aspect of your mobile application, from the header, the logo, to how it looks and feel. The user interface is something important. It's the first impression that your customers get when they visit your application that was built using mobile. You want to make sure that your customers are getting exactly what you expect them to get, that they're getting that great experience, that they're coming back to your application for more. Now, there is one aspect that everybody seems to forget, and that aspect is the error message. That error message that pops up and is not on brand, it's probably not going to look great at the end of the day. What I want to accomplish in this video is I want to show you how you can make error messages that are on brand, that look great, and that displays exactly what you needed to display, that convey that message that your application cares about them, that they are having a great user interface, and that error message comes from you and not from another tab that they have open. Hello everyone, this is Jesus from Hustling Labs, and today we're going to be talking about how to create customizable error messages in your application, whether that is that your user tried to log in with some credentials that are not existing in your database, or they run into an issue running an API call. We are going to show you exactly how those error messages can be created to represent your brand proudly and for your users to have a seamless user experience, regardless of whether they're running into an issue or they have accomplished something in your mobile-based application. Now, with that being said, let's jump into the build and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now we're going to jump into the build and I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we have this login page and I have entered a fake email address, a fake password. We're going to click sign in and we're getting this error message. His error message is coming from the browser. It's not coming from my application. It's not on brand. It might have been from my app. It might not have been. Some less technical users, they would be like, okay, so there is an error. I don't know what to do. Close, move on. What if you can do something that is on brand? And that's what we're going to be doing. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a pop-up here. And that pop-up will be the error message pop-up. Now that error message, 408 pesos. That error message is going to present itself when there is an issue. So we're going to go to the workflow tab and we're going to create a new event. And you want to select the one that says an unhandled error occurs. Select that and we're going to show the error message pop-up. Now, with that being said, here I will want to add a logo. So we're going to copy this one, paste it in here. And I will also want to drop some text. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to add a custom state, and that custom state will be the error message. And this is going to be test. We're going to create it. We're going to go back to our workflow and we're going to set state right here. And that will be the error message, pop-up error message. And that will be the current workflow error message. And we're going to use this piece of text, there's somewhere right here, to display that message. That's the pop-up error message. I'm going to style it a little bit. I'm going to extend it left to right. Perhaps we want to be called a little bit larger text. And we can make this a little bit smaller. So we're going to add a button that says close. And what this does is makes this disappear. And you can design this however you want. It's up to you. And let's make this a little bit smaller so we can have handle of this. All right, that's good enough. Let's refresh this page and let's see if this works. I'm not going to save. Again, fake email, fake password. And now we're not getting the error message from the browser. We're getting a custom error message, exactly what I intended to be with my branding, which is my logo right here, with the error message that the system is displaying. So we didn't find an account with those login credentials and a button to close. This is a much better user experience. This provides your users with a much nicer user interface, and it helps them understand that this error message is coming from you. It also brings a touch of professionalism, in my opinion, because your app is displaying something that is meant to be there. With that being said, this concludes the video. You can do the similar concept across any workflow that you have throughout your application. You can have that you only need it once on the page. So you don't need to build one pop-up or one workflow for every single error message that you foresee happening, but you do need to have it as a element and as a workflow in your application. What I would recommend is to making sure that this is a reusable element, and all you have to do is right click and convert to your reusable element. That way you don't have to create the same theme across your application. Error message. Yep. With that being said, thank you for watching. I hope that this video will help you make something nice, improve your user experience. And as always, if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and liking this video. It really helps others find our videos. Until the next one.